Applying soil pressure in Sapfir. In Sapfir, user can automatically create soil pressure load on basement walls. Let's apply this load on our model. Firstly, we select walls where the load needs to be applied. Calculation of soil pressure values depend on parameters of retaining and basement walls. Based on the analysis, 3 loads will be applied in model: active soil pressure, horizontal load from saturated soil, and additional horizontal load from uniformly distributed vertical load to soil surface. User can combine these 3 loads in one load case or create them separately. We should define next parameters. Unit weight, let it be 1.8 tons. Angle of internal friction, 18 degrees. Grade elevation, level of the soil surface relative to zero level of the building, -1 meter. Level of subsoil, groundwater table relative to grade elevation, 2.5 meter. Let's remain by default values of porosity and humidity of the soil. Load on surface, 2, and define snap, if needed for this load. Suppose we have horizontal backfill, then slope angle for soil surface equals 0. We have vertical basement wall, then slope angle for design plane also equals 0. Also, we can define parameter test depth and see that program will analyze active pressure, value, and values for additional parameters: slope angle between design plane and vertical, coefficient of horizontal pressure of soil, coefficient K1 and K2, and total depth. Also, user can see number of selected walls. We can define safety factors for each load separately as well. After creating, the load appears in the structure tree. Click button Edit Load Cases, and we can see 3 recently created load cases. Now we will create a meshed model. Basement wall can be of any shape, the load will be approximated and applied. It seems like load is not applied on some walls, but when we hide the wall, we can see that the load is applied from another face of this wall. For changing it, we should select wall, and define parameter face left, yes. And after creating meshed model once again, we can see that loaded face has changed. Let's generate a finite element mesh. In the Analytics ribbon tab, click Open in Visor Sapfir. Here we can see how loads are transferred into Lyra Sapfir. Select our load case and click Mosaic Plot for loads. This tool shows average load values, and we can see the different values of each floor where the load is applied. Thank you for your attention.